Cardi B even smells good, people. She smells. Vlogs, we're back with another video for you guys. Now today, something different again. We try to post every single day for the Christmas, and I got something different for y'all. Y'all read the title, y'all seen the thumbnail. We have some rap snacks. We finna try some rapper snacks or whatever. You know, we saw the Boosie commercials, yeah. Okay. You dig? Yeah. This is what you got. So we got Boosie. This is called Boosie Louisiana Heat. Wavy potato chips, you get it? Rap snacks icon, Notorious Biggie. Don't get it twisted, yo. Migos in this moment. Migos. Romeo Miller. I don't know this dude right here, but it's rap snacks. It was in the island. It was in the island. Look it up. Got it. So yeah, we finna see what's up with this right here. Cardi B. Cheddar barbecue. Ooh, hit them with it. You know what to do. Like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. The accent might chip in now and then because I'm from Jamaica, but I created this vlog channel to make sure that my American viewers, my American friends understand me. You understand? You dig? Subscribe to my main channel, Terry Vlogs. I do reaction videos over there for the entire Caribbean. Go check it out. It's very late. I got like 38,000 subscribers over there right now currently. We uploading every day. This don't keep it like more. They don't care. And I need a haircut, don't get it twisted. So, what the hell is this? See, I need a haircut. Alright, let's start with, dude I don't know. I need to look up your ass for real. What's his name? Hey Siri. Play some Romeo Miller.
Now playing Romeo Miller.
What's up, bro?
I'm finna go where the printer place is.
What the printer is right there, bro. Yeah, I still ain't no dude. Yeah, I ain't no dude, but you know what? Let's go straight to this video right here. We're gonna see what's up with this. This is a barbecue with honey. I don't like barbecue food. Is it like barbecue with snacks? You know, let's see what's poppin'. Okay, let's see what's happening for this really quick. Take a small little bite. I don't want y'all to be looking at me put anything in my mouth though, so no homo. Alright. Okay. Okay. That shit lit. Fire. Fuck yeah. Okay. I need some water though. I know we're gonna taste all them different in a minute. And you're gonna be able to taste of the same one in your mouth. Alright, let's get to another one. You know she gonna be last, right? We saving her for last. She gonna wait. See what these three motherfuckers are right now. We got the Migos people. Let's see what they are. Get twisted. Sour cream with a dab of ranch. This better be lit. That's what it looks like, y'all. This better be lit. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. I see you. This was popular. Look at that chip. Focus on that chip. Ooh. Alright. Sour cream, yeah. I don't fuck with sour cream. It's lit though. You don't really taste it, it's lit. Oh yeah, I'm doing a video. Sorry, I got carried away. Now we gotta say Boosie for before Cardi, right before Cardi B. You know, Boosie having had them legendary Instagram live that made mofos smile and go to bed feeling happy in the night. So we gotta go. You did? See what you want, know, bruh. Just see what you want, know, bruh. Icon. Let's pop. Honey and jalapenos. You know I don't like peppers. This reeks of pepper. I don't like pepper. It looks fire though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I know you wanna see. No, you don't. You wanna see, man. I know you wanna see that, bro. I know you wanna see that, man. Look at it. Take a good long look. Alright, no more. Let's see what's popping for this snack right now. Man, I need to get my hair done. Alright. I ain't getting me a small piece. I'm not even gonna eat no more of this right here for real. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Nope. That ain't it. That's not in my dictionary, man. And that jalapeno go keep kicking out. Nope. That's not it, chief. Let's see what you have. Heat. This is spicy also, but I have to do Boosie before I do Cardi. I got to do Boosie before I go with Cardi B. Cardi B is a bad motherfucking bitch. She gotta be glad. I wanna enjoy her. I probably eat all her shit up. Yum yum. But no, let's see what's popping right here, man. Let me see what you want. Okay, wavy. Oh yeah, you said wavy right there. Alright, I see you. A little Boosie Louisiana heat. Wavy potato chips. Y'all ready for this? I don't know what to say about this one. Take a look at it though. Yeah. 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 Look at you. Behave yourself. Alright, let's see what's popping for this real quick. Let's see what's popping for this real quick. Alright, here, this lit. There goes the spicy. Nah, I don't like spicy food. It's good though. I just don't. I don't eat spicy food. Cardi. Cheddar barbecue. Cardi for the hit. I ain't asking y'all. Cardi for the hit. Cardi for the hit. Let's see what's up with Cardi. Alright. There's a ball. See what's popping for Cardi. Cardi B even smells good, people. She smells. Cardi B, you smell damn good, girl. Wanna see Cardi B? Look at Cardi B. This is gonna be the best coochie you've seen in your life. Can't do that. You gotta take it slow, Cardi B. You gotta. Yeah. Ah, that's too much. Let's see what's happening for Cardi B, y'all. I'm taking too long on this. Ooh. Look at the chip, bro. Look at the chip. That's so fucking nice. Yep. Let's go. Let's try. None of these out. I would never go back and eat none of these. I won't even lie to y'all. This is one I'm not even finna finish those. Gonna give those to my bro. I'll not go back and eat none of these before. Again, I ain't gonna lie, the first one hit. This one cool. The dude I don't know though. See? I mean, alright, but yeah. Cool. Cool. Straight. 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 Y'all can try them if y'all want to try them, but I would never go back and buy any of these before. I don't even like chips for real. I just saw them, click out a video. I'm trying to post every day content. Big up y'all self, subscribe for some more vlogs. We're gonna hit this public interview out there. We're gonna go to the mall tonight and get that public interview in. I tried doing it yesterday. Y'all see I posted a vlog yesterday. I only got one person. Guess what I did? I made that the clickbait, the thumbnail, and the title of the video. So you can't go pre that. Look at that video real quick to see what you guys in a treat for. Because the question I'm gonna be asking, these questions, yo, they're really interesting questions. So you don't want to miss it. Okay.